Good morning, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Thursday, August 26, 2021. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left off with the market yesterday. So SPX continued to push its way up to fresh all-time highs. Green on the monthly chart, green on the weekly chart. Daily chart is kind of grinding its way up here. If you look at the Elliott wave count on this one, we might be working on a wave 5 up. S&P futures are down a little bit here this morning, so we'll see, and we'll take a look at those in a second, but we'll see if that gap down turns into a dip buy opportunity and we work on a wave 5, or maybe we have a truncated wave 5 right here where we start to see more of an ABC type pullback. Let's take a look at the SPY and see how it's behaving here this morning. Again, SPY guys, big day yesterday, right? Nice grinder up. Looked like a bull flag going into the close, but kind of choppy right here. We might be working on some sort of little harmonic type move. So let's see how it goes going into the open today. It's definitely recovering off of the lows here a little bit. S&P futures, big dip by around 3 a.m., right? So not quite overnight drift, right? European session opens 2 o'clock, right? But you got a nice bounce here forming a fresh geometric line. So again, we're just seeing if we can get over the geometric line. About 8:30, we have the jobless claims today. So whether they're good, whether they're bad, this thing could pop to all-time highs, right? So we just don't know. So that's one of those 8:30 a.m. wild potential moves this morning. So we'll see how that goes. MES, again, same thing. Just kind of keep an eye on the geometric line, see how it holds here going into the rest of the day. Let's go to the Qs. In tech, very similar right here, kind of channeling down. Could be a bull flag from a larger perspective. We put that in the bubble report here this morning. IWM a little bit downside after a decent push yesterday, but see if it holds that geometric line below. XLF, generally sideways type stuff. Again, Jackson Hole Symposium starts today. Powell's not talking until tomorrow, so again, keep an eye on the banks and see how they react to whatever Jay Powell's got to say. VIX is up a little bit here overnight, thanks to the miniature gap down that we've got going on here this morning. So Apple down a little bit, but not really too much to be concerned about. Tesla. So Tesla's been getting really tight recently, right? Action name yesterday gave us a couple pops, right, for a decent move there off of Tesla. Kind of gapping down here a little bit this morning, so worth keeping an eye on. Bitcoin a little bit sketchy right here, down about 1,800. Had a rough night last night, so thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.